Welcome to Begrepen.be. Today we will be talking about the USA. Stay tuned. West of the Atlantic Ocean is the continent of America. The biggest country on the northern part of that continent is called the United States of America. The United States consists of 50 states marked with a star on this map. Those 50 stars are also on the American flag, the Stars and Stripes. The stars represent the current number of states, whereas the stripes represent the initial 13 British colonies that started the nation. Representatives of these colonies signed the Declaration of Independence on the 4th of July in 1776. The British, who didn't want to lose their colonies overseas, sent troops over, starting the War of Independence. In 1783, the last British troops were defeated and they left New York. In 1789, George Washington became the first president of the United States of North America, as it was then called. The capital, Washington, D.C., is still named after him. Up to this day, Americans still celebrate Independence Day, their national holiday, on the 4th of July. Oh, say can you see by the dawn's early light? The new republic expanded towards the west and the south, as Britain, France, Mexico and Spain gave up their colonies. By 1912, 35 more states had come to join the original 13. In 1959, the Americans added Alaska and Hawaii to the Union. Since then, the United States consists of Maine, New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Vermont, Rhode Island, Connecticut, New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Maryland, Delaware, Washington, D.C., West Virginia, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Florida, Michigan, Ohio, Indiana, Kentucky, Tennessee, Alabama, Wisconsin, Illinois, Mississippi, Minnesota, Iowa, Missouri, Arkansas, Louisiana, North Dakota, South Dakota, Nebraska, Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, Montana, Wyoming, Colorado, New Mexico, Idaho, Utah, Arizona, Washington, Oregon, Nevada, California, Alaska, and Hawaii. These United States of America, or USA, all share the Stars and Stripes, also called the Star-Spangled Banner. Their head of state is the President of the United States. They have a Congress, which has a House of Representatives and a Senate. They pay each other in US or United States dollars, and there are approximately 333 million inhabitants in the United States. This population is what we call a melting pot. There are people from different ethnicities and different cultures that inhabit the United States. A short history will explain why. When Christopher Columbus first set foot on the American continent in 1492, he saw it was already inhabited by some local people. Since Columbus thought he had landed in India, he called those people Indians. When the first immigrants or settlers arrived from England in the 17th century, the Indians didn't mind sharing their land. It was a big country, and there was plenty of room for everyone to find a place to live. However, these new immigrants started driving the Native Americans from their lands into reservations. In the 17th and 18th centuries, slave traders imported large numbers of African people. They put them on ships and sold them to rich plantation owners in the South as slaves to work their fields. Over the years, people from all over the world have found their way to the United States. There are tens of millions of Spanish-speaking Americans, called Hispanics, living in the USA. There are also Asian Americans, including immigrants from China, the Philippines, Vietnam, Korea, and Japan. That's all for this video. Please like and subscribe and check out our other videos.